welcome to Aarsun. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I have along with me Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Aarsun. Today in this video we will talk about platform beds, and Ashish will tell us more about this.
Platform beds, the word that you have used. So first thing, why platform? So you can see these both the beds, and these are open from three sides. Just we have a back and then three sides open. And these beds are known as platform beds, and they are generally very easy to climb up, climb down with the mattress. They look very beautiful, just like in this one you see. When you put the mattress here, it will be outside the design, and the mattress will be till this point, and then you have the bed sheet inside folded, and it will look like this. These are queen size beds, both the units you see, and queen size is 60 inches by 78 inches, 5 feet by 6.5 feet mattress area, not the actual bed but the mattress area. The back is 5 feet high for both of them, a little difference because this has got a little pointy thing out upwards, just a couple of inches taller. Rest both the designs you can see here, we have shown you earlier in king size also. But there are a few things we are going to discuss about in these units, and one by one we'll cover those.
Sir, two things I noticed in this one, that is the side tables and the crown. So please tell us more about this.
I'll start with the crown first. See the crown, the crown that you see here, this is 2 feet wide, 16 inches like this, and around 8-9 inches high. What is the use for this one? What happens is in a lot of bed, they decorate the bed with the nets or chunni as you may call it. What they do is we haven't kept it a proper height, it should be higher. And from there, they tie the nets and they bring it on the front like this. And it looks very beautiful on all the sides. And just like the old poster beds used to have those nets and the design, it looks really an amazing concept. And generally when we have a royal setup, and if you have some movie setup or because you are from that line, you're from the movie industry, film industry, you can understand these royal kind of setups. These require different look. So this kind of look gives very different. The entire look is very different for these kind of structures. The crown is broadly for this thing. These side tables are wall mounted. This is 2 feet left to right, 20 inches high, front to back 16 inches, and these are broadly mounted on the wall. They don't stand on the ground. And this is again a very beautiful setup for side tables. It has got small drawer also. I'll show you a small drawer, so you can keep your small book or something inside, and at night you can keep your mobile phone or a bottle of water or book, whatever you want, on this one, and it works really fine. Now this setup that you see is straight out of a catalog picture. Catalog picture I've explained earlier also, ma'am. Earlier, before the artificial intelligence, because now it's very easy. Earlier people used to make designs by softwares. They did a lot of work to create masterpieces on computer with the entire structure, setup and everything, with the carpets and French wall, chandeliers and everything. And they used to present that to the clients. And these pictures are used to make the actual designs. So this is the real design, and the one on the screen you are seeing is the catalog image. These days it's very easy. Go to any AI site, put in the prompt, and you get a design. This is very easy. Now we'll move on to the other design.
And one more beautiful design. Sir, another thing I notice in this one is the cushion part on all the sides. Am I right, sir?
Right, ma'am. This looks beautiful as well as it is comfortable also. So if we are standing here and we are moving, so it doesn't hurt at all. This is a very basic thing, but still it's about the beauty part. It looks very nice, matching with the back color. We have the design on all sides, and along with this we have the nightstand, the side table. It has got 4 drawers. It is a little higher, 28 inches high, and 21 inches left to right, front to back 18 inches. So it's a little taller as the client wanted. So these are again the client's choice, bigger, smaller, higher, as they want it. We make it and provide it. Both these beds are in queen size. If you're looking for king size, we can make that. The wood is teak wood, antique gold paint, Holland fabric with the quilting. If you want any change in the fabric, in the colors, in the design, size, side night table, nightstands, change in the pattern, you want this nightstand along with this one, we can do that. You want the crown in this one, we can do that. Everything is as per your choice. And delivery globally, in India or outside India, wherever you are, and at factory price, because we make it, you receive it, you are the end user, no middleman, no trader, no commission agent, direct dealing, you are getting the best price. So designs, we have unlimited designs. You can pick something from the internet. If you don't like ours, we already have a lot of designs on our website, aarsunwoods.com, and more than 1200 videos on YouTube where we have detailed explanation about all the stuff. Pick your design, let us know what you want, we'll make that and deliver to your home across the globe wherever you are.
And the number is right in here in front of you. Please contact us. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.
Thank you.